Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to buy more iPhone storage. So first, what you want to do is open up your settings. Once you're there, just simply tap on your profile right here on the very top. Then tap on iCloud. Once you're there, just tap on Manage Account Storage. Then here you will see Change Storage Plan. Just tap on that to open it. And this will pop up, a menu will pop up, and you could pick from all of the list right here. And these are the plans for your iCloud Plus. You could pay for like 49 pesos a month, which is like $1, and you will have 50 gigabytes a month. And here there's 200 gigabytes, 2 TB, 6 terabytes, and 12 terabytes. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.